And I have to keep freaking starting over and stopping because I got a ton of yelling because somebody does not listen. Watch out. He jumps pretty good over here. I just had to get used to jumping it because it's definitely a different jumper. Still haven't did anything to the shocks or anything. I gotta buy some weight, some better weight. Whoops. But yeah, she is fun as hell. I got a crappy pinion gear in here, that's why it sounds a little shitty. Slapping pretty hard. Oh, that was a hard smack. That was a nice one. You have to let off the throttle before you hit the jumps. Pretty cool little ripper, man. Whoa. Airtime. Nose plant. She's a little steep for the Mojave right there, I guess. That's awesome. She's pretty fast. Yeah, I gotta get the suspension squared away. I just get off work and I don't feel like doing nothing except for plate. She took some pretty hard hits already. I can tell you that. I haven't broke nothing. Probably shouldn't say that because I just jinxed myself. Come here, buddy! My dog's out there somewhere. Somewheres. Come here, Eddie. Let's go, bud. Eddie, let's go, baby. Oh, come on, man. Come on, baby! Alright. I don't want to make a super long video here, but I gotta start yelling at my dog too, so. Alright. This is Eddie. Little Mojave action for you. Peace out, baby.